Hi everyone, I hope you are doing well. This will just be a quick video because it's cold outside and I'm freezing. But yeah, I just wanted to show a new tool that I bought, a smoke tester made by Autoline, and it's very good. By the way, I want to say a nice thank you to the 89 Garage, which is a Fox Body Mustang channel, I believe. The guy there did a nice review of the Autoline smoke machine, so it really helped to make a purchase decision. So thank you, sir. It hooks up to your battery's 12 volt, like so, and I got it hooked up to my compressor down to about 25 psi, but there's also a built-in regulator here that takes care of the pressure, and you know, it has a nice on-off switch, so that's really nice. And yeah, so I got it. So the point, of course, is to check for vacuum leaks. I already had the car tested for vacuum leaks before, twice, and there was smoke. Reportedly, I did not see it, but the mechanic said there was smoke coming from the either the injector O-rings or the intake manifold seals. So I changed the O-rings and the intake seals, and so at the moment I've been running this test for nearly 15 minutes, and there is no smoke coming out of the system at all. And it definitely is producing smoke because see, I got the brake booster hose here with no clamp. So if I just pull on it, I'll just put the light here so you can see. Yeah, you can see the system is filled with smoke. It doesn't smell very good. Oh man, that oil they put. So yeah, the system is definitely filled with smoke, and there is no smoke coming out at all. Not even from the idle control valve. You know, the seals and the body of the valve can go bad. Nothing. It's perfectly sealed. I sealed this opening of the intake with a plastic bag, so this entire system is getting smoke at the moment. So very good tool. Unfortunately, I really wanted to find a leak because of my hunting idle. I want to fix it, but yeah, unfortunately, no leaks. But you know, fortunately, it means I did a good job changing the intake gaskets, the injector O-rings, and so on. So yeah, I'll keep trying. Maybe a timing issue, injector issue, air fuel ratio issue. I don't know, but I'll keep digging, and I'll post more updates in the future. But so far, I can highly recommend this tool. I can't say can't talk about the longevity of the tool because I just got it, but very useful, and yeah, it even comes with a sort of hook that you can hook it to your hood. So very nice stuff. So yeah, and by the way, thank you for your comments on my videos, showing me, not showing me, but I mean discussing my idle issue and giving me encouragements on my videos. It's very nice. I think I have the best viewers on YouTube. Seriously, you guys are like super knowledgeable and very polite, and so that's really nice. So thank you for watching. Thanks for subscribing, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.